Would you prefer to drive a Rolls-Royce or a Fiat Punto? Let's face it, unless you're an absolute Fiat Punto fan, you're going to say Rolls-Royce. So why would anybody prefer to use cheap, poor quality wood finishes when by paying slightly more you can get a much better quality coating that is higher build, better covering paint that will create an unbelievable finish? That's why we sell the Sayerlack Polyurethane range of coatings, because put simply, it's one of the best on the market. Polyurethane coatings are the most rigid and most reliable coatings on the market, perfect for kitchens and other high wear places. When coating cupboards and kitchen doors, this is by far the most suitable coating, as any other paint like pre-cat or acid cat will chip, scratch if subject to heavy traffic. It is also resistant to heat, so no more ring marks left in the finish after a hot object has been placed onto the painted surface. As Sayerlack themselves say, the two-component polyurethane coatings are more resistant to atmospheric agents, greater surface hardness and able to guarantee better adhesion to the substrate. Because of these characteristics, they are the most used for wood treatment. So by using the two-component polyurethane coatings in your kitchen, bathroom or another area, you will be guaranteeing that your paint finish will last. Polyurethane coatings are available in a range of gloss levels, from a dead matte to a very high gloss. They can also be applied in a variety of different ways, from conventional spray to airless and air-assisted airless. Roller and curtain coating are also an option. Please be aware that when spraying these polyurethane coatings, you need the correct air-fed breathing. If this isn't adhered to, then it can cause serious health issues for the painters and anyone that comes into contact with these chemicals. For a coloured finish, our best sellers are the TU148 primer and the TZ99 top coat. The TU148 is a fantastic high build white primer with excellent hiding properties. Along with the TZ99 top coat, this system creates a world-class finish that can withstand the harshest kitchen environments. For a clear finish, we recommend using the TU160 sealer for the base coat, then overcoat it with the TZ36 lacquer. The TH720 hardener can be used for all of the polyurethane coatings. I trust this video has given you some insight on the qualities of the Sayerlack polyurethane products. If you need some more help or guidance, get in touch and we'd be more than happy to help.